What's up, guys? Just a quick little update. So the previous video titled "Where's this noise coming from?" I actually heard a sound coming from here, and that's actually not the sound that I was looking for. There's actually another sound that I've been hearing, and it's more of like a metallic sound. It's like a really faint metallic, not even a grinding sound. And right now I don't have my e-brake cables hooked up, and I think I just figured out what the sound is and where it's coming from. So there's the T, there's my drive shaft. The T is laying on my drive shaft. I'm pretty sure that's what the noise is. Wow. What a discovery. Cool. Well,